Hello, my name is Jay Warmke, and I'm the instructor of an upcoming solar technician certification training course that's going to be offered at Eastern West Virginia Community and Technical College. It's in Moorefield, West Virginia. And this is a hybrid format course. And the way this works is as soon as you register, you'll be given access to a 46-hour online self-paced course that gives you videos and lectures and narrated sessions on how to design and install residential solar PV systems. Then we'll have, starting January 16th, weekly meetings via Zoom that'll keep you updated if you have any questions as you're studying the material. I, the instructor, will be meeting with you and we can go over that material. And then on February 28th and 29th, we'll get together at the newly created Solar Lab at Eastern West Virginia College. And we will go ahead and do all of the hands-on requirements that are part of the Electronic Technicians Association International certification for photovoltaics. So you'll work with real systems, putting together all of the components, learning about them, how they work, and then we'll review, and then you'll take the certification examination that's recognized internationally for those people who design and install the systems. If you want more information, please contact Eastern West Virginia Community College and we'll get you all signed up. All right. Hope to see you there. Bye-bye.